okra is also a fantastic summertime vegetable. Most okra plants get pretty tall, depending on the variety. There's all different kinds of okra plants. You can get ones that do grow pretty tall, like maybe 8 to 10 feet tall by the end of the season, which is, that's a very prolific plant there. But they also have dwarf okra varieties that stay much shorter, maybe like a 3 foot tall plant. There's red okra, orange okra, pink okra, different variegations of okra, long pods, short pods, thick pods, thin pods. There's so many different kinds of okra. And it's fairly straightforward to grow. I mean, it loves growing in the summer when we have lots of heat. You can plant it from seed. It grows pretty quickly. And when you plant just the seeds of okra, you can also use seedlings, of course, to start your okra. Something to call out is that the plants themselves are covered in these little teeny tiny spiky hairs, and there's a substance in the okra plant itself that can cause irritation to your skin. So a lot of people, when they harvest okra for the first time, they're like, oh my gosh, why am I so itchy after I have just harvested my okra? And that's just because of those properties that are in the plant and those little spiky hairs. So as you're harvesting your okra, just keep that in mind. I will sometimes wear gloves and just kind of get in there real quick and harvest my okra pods. Once your plant is starting to produce okra, you're probably going to be harvesting a little bit every day. For most varieties of okra, when the pods are between 4 and 8 inches, or really like less than 6 inches long, is when they're going to be most tender. Once they get over 8 inches, they tend to become really woody, really fibrous, and a challenge to enjoy. But any pods that are smaller than that are tender and delicious and wonderful.